Hello guys from my street Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you, like the title says, all the equipment that I chose for my pizzeria. So this way you understand why and what's for. Everything A to Z. So please watch until the end and tell me in comments at the end of this video which one was your favorite equipment that you think is most useful for a pizzeria or for home. I just finished up this video and then I'm gonna go ahead and taste this lovely pizza because I'm super hungry. Go ahead and watch it till the end. Let's go! So excited to explain you everything about soft and crunchy. Come inside and then let me explain you why I chose this equipment. Come with me, I'm going to explain you what is that for. Yes, and like I say, I'm going to explain you everything why I chose this equipment and what is that for. So let's start everything from the home kitchen. So first of all, I chose fridge line from Primax because those, they look so beautiful, so professional, they go in temperature, they hold the temperature, and most importantly, they save money on the electricity. So it's very important also there. I mean, take a look inside. The quality of this fridge is insane. Let's go ahead, and this is the home kitchen, like you saw in my other videos. This is the island, because when I'm doing videos, it's I want to explain to you everything, details by details, how I make the dough. So I made a nice empty space, perfect for making pizzas. But I put on the island Gico induction for, look at this gets to 5 in temperature, really quick. The olive oil, so if you want to fry something, if you want to cook some pasta, that's everything that I'm going to show you in my videos. Also, of course, this is a home kitchen, and then I also put a home oven because, of course, here I want to show you that we really cook pizza in a home oven. So I put the stone there. This is really an experience to feel at home. So this is the home kitchen 100%. Everything works here. This is the sink. Like you can see, this is not fake. Oh, also for the home kitchen, I have peels from, of course, Gimetta. Those are short, a little bit smaller. Let's stop this and let's go ahead in the professional kitchen. We are in the professional kitchen, and this is Loris. I'm teaching him how to make pizzas. I don't know if you saw some videos. So this is the dough mixer that I chose for my pizza studio, my pizzeria, which is really good from pizza group. Like you can see, it comes with multiple speed, stop, emergency, 1, 2, and the timer. Look at this, how he's building the gluten right now. It's not over yet. Okay, while he's making the dough, we have to see this at the end of maybe when he finish. So let's go ahead and let's move on. Look at this, right here. I got this little kit here for holding from Gimetta. Of course, they sell everything. The spatula, my favorite spatula, the most important tools. This is the best spatula you can find in the market from Gimetta, of course, because look at this, it's so comfortable. You can hold it from here and then you can press, easy, the same side of the ball, it's perfect. So this is a counter for making the pizza dough, dedicated just for the dough. Of course, we got flour from Mulino Piantoni, my favorite one. Let's get into the stove. Same thing here, I chose Gico for the stove and Gico for the fryer, which is really good material, perfect for professional restaurants. The next equipment is this beautiful, amazing, professional, also can be home, inox strand oven. I mean, take a look at the quality of this beast. This is Vapor, is insane. It's still here because we still try to figure out where to put it on. So probably it's gonna go in the home kitchen because this is perfect to cook everything. When I say everything, I cook fish, chicken, fry, pizza, pasta al forno, focaccia, bread, everything. Keep in mind, inox strand. I'm gonna try to put everything in description, so if you are interested, you have everything in description. Let's get to the second one. This is amazing, of course, from the line of fridges is from Primax. I love this brand. This is the table for salads. Fridge. Everything is fridges. Of course, it's still off because we're still in the process of opening. Also, fridge here, where you can put all the ingredients. And you can see the amazing quality of these materials. Let's go on the scale. I got this quick and easy scale, very cheap. To be honest, those scales, they cost so much. I got it for 35 euros, so about $42. Super cheap at the regular store, to be honest. Guys, this is my favorite equipment, which I have other videos about this. I made a long time ago a video about this. Mozzarella cutter, which is a potato cutter. I got it from Amazon. Also cost about maybe $100 or something, 80, something like that. But it's perfect to cut the mozzarella, which is really important for making pizza. Besides that, let's get to the fridge. Like you can see here, we have a freezer, which is something that when you have a restaurant, when you own a restaurant, you have to have. That's a freezer. And also I have a dedicated fridge for pizza dough, because you want to have a dedicated fridge when you make a lot of pizzas. So if you do 200, 300 pizzas, you want to have always dough in the fridge. And this guy is still making the dough. Like you can see here, the gluten structure is building really good. Go with the water. So let's keep moving. It's almost done with the dough. Call me when you're done. This way we can show them how it looks. Before getting in the oven, which is I'm gonna leave the pizza oven to the last, because it's the most important that you need to know. You need to understand why I chose the electricity oven. So besides that, we got to this amazing, also same thing from Pizza Group fridge. This is everything, fridge, counter fridge, everything that you need for the toppings. Of course, here it's got, this is the pizza dough, look at this, which I'm going to show you. I make one pizza, just in general, just to show you everything. I also got this box, just got here from G-Metal. I'm gonna see what's inside. So take a look at this. This is a counter fridge. Like you can see, it's custom. I studied this by myself. I built it like that because I wanted to give an amazing experience for the people to sit around there and see me making the pizza, or see the pizza chef making the pizza, because pizza chef deserves to be watched and get the full experience. So I chose to have these ingredients here. This way, when you make the pizza, you have everything close to you. This is where we are going to stretch. Let's see what's inside this box really quick. Wow, this is brand new. Woo! Never see this from G-Metal. I think this is brand new. Holy shoot, wow. This is the new line, brand new. I think I'm the only one in the world that have this. Oh, the line, Napoli line, insane. You really surprise me, G-Metal, all the time, insane. We got this, this is small for pizza. Like you can see, everything with the holes, because, what's this? Sure, this is wood. Wow. Wood tech. The handle is made the color of the wood. Fantastic. Fantastic. We still have some stuff here. That's what you actually need to make the pinza romana. It's perfect, fits in the oven. Also with the holes. What else we have here? Oh, this is, I think is the handle to put the pizza on. It's beautiful to serve some slice of pizzas. The last piece of the puzzle, of course, my favorite, the most important tools. Guys, I asked you for another one. Spatula. One, and spatula number two. Look how flexible it is. Because when you take out the dough from the box, you need a spatula. I'm gonna use this today. You need a spatula, look at this. Easy and flexible to take it out the dough from the box. So I'm going to show you this also in a little bit. So I also have a line here, the stand, everything. I have this one, which is really important, guys. You need a brush if you burn a pizza, because if you burn a pizza, you need to leave the pizza in the oven until it's black, it's burned. Then with the scraper, you scrape it out, and then you brush it out, everything outside. And then you can, with this, you can go ahead and turn it. Let me explain you one thing. These are the most beautiful and useful pizza peel in the world. Whatever they cost, it's for a reason. They are durable, they are perfect to make the pizza, and light. So it's super comfortable to work, and then I'm going to show you later on. You can one end, whoop, you get the pizza on top. But most importantly, the holes. The holes are really important because when you put the pizza and the pizza is thick, you can put a lot of flour, don't worry about. With the peel, you get it, you move it a little bit, and all the flour comes out. I have this one because when you take out the pizza from the oven, you want to have some type of grill. So because the vapor, when it goes up, comes out from the top and also comes out from the bottom. The dough is ready. Let's go check it out 1 second before we get to the oven. Let's see this gluten structure. Let's see if this guy is learning. We have 75% pizza dough, and this is actually for tomorrow. Good job. So you have two options here, like I say. Or you make it into balls and you use it now, tonight, not now, maybe 6 hours it takes. Or you can put one ball and you put it in the fridge and you use also tomorrow. The dough, like you can see, is ready. Perfect. You need to be quick, otherwise when you damage the gluten structure, adios amigos. Okay. This one, the dough, it's ready to go in the fridge. And guys, now it's time to talk about the most important equipment when you have a pizzeria or when you own a pizza oven. So let's go ahead and let's make the first pizza. This is how important is the spatula. I'm gonna use this one. Without spatula, your pizza doesn't come out as a circle. Let's stretch the pizza. So let's move over there. Look, I'm gonna put a lot of flour. This way I show you what I'm talking about the peels. Let's put tomato sauce, little bit of basil, and fresh mozzarella. We're gonna make it like a classic, regular, fresh margherita. Let's turn it on the oven. Actually, the oven was on. Like you can see, boom, we got one light and we got two lights inside. So that's the perfect temperature for pizza. So like you can see, look at this peel. How easy it is to take the pizza on the peel. Look at this, hop, hop. And now we just fix it. We make the side of the peel nice and big, about 12, 13 inches. Let's go ahead and let's put the pizza in the oven. And I'm gonna show you how long it will take to cook the pizza. One shot, done. Now let's see how long it will take to cook. And then this is the first time using a electric oven. Everybody is thinking, oh, how come you're using electric oven? Is that good, not good? Well, you are going to judge today if this oven is good or not. I think this is a next level pizza oven. We could have put the gas, but electric oven, this is insane because it's super easy. Like you can see, the pizza is cooking lovely. It's fast. I'm not gonna edit it any time here. You can see the actual timing, and you just turn it on. And actually, is also you can save the electricity power. So we're gonna go ahead and just give it a little turn to check if the pizza is cooking properly. It's cooking properly. I'm not gonna move it. So a few seconds more, and the pizza is coming out. I'm talking about a Neapolitan pizza, guys. So we can see the mozzarella starts to bubbling and the pizza it's ready. And voila, the pizza it's lovely ready. Take a look at the bottom. Now we place it there on the plate. We put extra basil and then olive oil on the crust. And guys, I present you the pizza. Like you can see, it's soft and crunchy in the same time. This oven also have the bottom of the oven, which is you can put at a room temperature, or you can also heat it up. So if you want to speed up the process of fermentation, you go ahead and put it inside there, and the dough will grow faster because you can put it goes up to 50 degrees. So that's also really, really important if you want to grow some focaccia, bread. It's perfect. And of course, it's with light. And another thing that this oven have, a beautiful LED light in the front. This way you can see the actual pizzas. When you take it out, you can actually see how they are cooked. So it's perfect. Light inside. We have this little door that opens and closes inside also because they get some air from the back. And what's really important is the door. Take a look how heavy and deep is the door. So you put the door, turn it off the light, and this way you are going to save so much electricity power, timing, and it holds, how this oven was built, it holds the temperature inside really, really well. So tomorrow, when I come, the oven will be around 300 Celsius still. So that means that in 15-20 minutes, the temperature goes up. So you are saving much money on the temperature. Okay guys, here was everything about all the equipment that I chose for my pizzeria. And hopefully you like this video. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this lovely pizza. And thank you so much. Every week, new video, please go ahead, smash the like, subscribe, and share with friends. If I forgot some link in description, please tell me in the comments, and tell me which one was your best equipment in comment. Thank you so much. I'll see you at the next one.